First of all, congratulations for having such a nice event and tell more about that the event of the day.
It's event about the business women only can be attend to this event. They can be a mother, they can be wives, and also they can be a businesswoman. Organizing was very hard. Until now, I didn't sleep 2 days before event. I'm excited, and I hope everything will be perfect. You will see the program. It's surprise.
Surprise you?
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum. Aisha Meet from Adzone Advertising. As we are the part of this event, I'm very happy. Congratulations for all the organizers who have been organizing this event. It was a glamorous night. आज की शाम बहुत अच्छी है और मैं उन खवातीन का congratulate करना चाहती हूँ जिसने भी participate किया है. It was such a honor to be part of this event. As you know, seeing that all the ladies working so hard and achieving their awards is like always good. ये तो हर एक का ख्वाब होता है, हर औरत का ख्वाब होता है कि वो आगे आएँ और अपने आप से कुछ करें. विदाउट देयर फैमिली सपोर्ट ये कोई नहीं हो सकता. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, मेरे हस्बैंड काफ़ी सपोर्टिव हैं. आई विश सबके हस्बैंड इतने सपोर्टिव हो जाए और उनको सपोर्ट करें और उनकी काबिलियत को परखें. एंड सब चीज़ में थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कैप्चरिंग. और हमारी कंपनी वी आर कमिंग अप विद लॉट्स ऑफ इवेंट्स. एडजोन और गोल्डन स्क्वायर एक इवेंट हम दोनों मर्ज हैं तो हम काफ़ी इवेंट साथ करते हैं. सो वी आर कमिंग अप विद आवर ब्यूटीफुल इवेंट्स एंड अमेजिंग कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स. सो इंशाल्लाह वेरी soon you will be seeing me again and again. Thank you so much.
I am Hanif Sheikh, founder, chairman, Emirates Holding Group, and we are here for the Lady of the Year. It's an business award show for the ladies, for the women empowerment, and it is an extravaganza. Alhamdulillah. And many more shows we are going to come up with, coming in August, Man of the Year, then Women of the Year Global. Then again we are having the title for Mrs. Universe. So many shows lined up for women empowerment, and we are creating the platform. Welcome.
For the event, my name is Antonio Rubel. I am president of the Arab Fashion Council and Middle East Fashion Week. Italian friend, she's a singer.
Opera singer from Rome. I'm very happy to be here in Dubai.
I'm from Saudi Arabia. My name is H.A.Rauf, and I am Woman of the Universe 2023, and I was really happy, and I wish all the best. There is new surprises will come, inshallah.
And I'm so glad that I'm going to witness this amazing show today. I'm super excited. Let's see what will happen.
Thank you for the opportunity, and hopefully this event gonna be very successful, and we wish all the best for the organizers.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे. वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के से रिलेटेड है ये इवेंट, तो इंशाल्लाह.
Amazing opportunity for all business women and anybody looking for social gathering and meeting of important people in the same field or different fields, and I think it's a great opportunity.
I'm sure it's going to be a great event. It's been organized by Miss Veronica, and it's known as Mrs. Lady of the Year. There's some spectacular women here this evening that will be receiving awards from different sectors, different industries, and I'm very excited to seeing who gets the awards, and looking forward to a wonderful evening. H.A.Rauf News is one of the leading stations here in the region. They're always updated with the latest news, no matter what industry we're looking at, whether it's business, news, fashion, every industry. So definitely stay tuned to H.A.Rauf.
Especially for women empowerment. And we thank media and H.A.Rauf News for covering such an excellent event, and it promotes more fashion industry, more people in fashion, and it gives upliftment to the women empowerment actually.
Thank you, H.A.Rauf News, for always covering us in all of the events. Thanks for your support. Without you media guys, we are nothing. We're here for Mrs. Lady of the Year, and it went wonderful. Veronica and Megi had another time put up a wonderful event. Thanks for covering us. This is Moon Mukherjee here. Grace, FFA finalist, Dia Mukherjee, and here we have Miss Precious Michael, who's Miss Gulf, winner of FFA 2023.
Brands and in UAE, he created and managed Infinity TV, Music TV. Get TV1 for real.
سعاد الشمسي المهندسة سعادة نوف صدى السامي. الأزياء الرائعة التي قدمتها المصممة الإماراتية العالمية. she has all the title around the world, but also here in Dubai, the Emirati international women as well. Veronica, I would like to hear a big Mrs. Veronica that she present the greatest image of Dubai in here. Alright? Millions of people, they are watching this evening to see the results of a beautiful Emirati woman. Thank you very much, Natalia. Well, really, مثل ما عودتنا دائما دبي استضافة كل الفعاليات الكبيرة سواء كانت نسائية أو رجالية. للأسف رجالية قليلة شوي قدام نسائية، صح ولا لا؟ Please, I would like to hear very big hands for our greatest UAE applause. Beautiful names, سعادة نوف. And she's an engineer, she's a great doctor. So many beautiful names here. We have all the media, press from all over the world. We have مصور الشيوخ كمان منى H.A.Rauf حياك الله. Dubai TV, I would like to for the great program. أرجعك تتسلم الجائزة صفا الشامسي من السيدة فيرونيكا وكلمة من سعادة نوف اليافعي إلى and a beautiful word from you to Mrs. Lady of the Year. عواف وصلت السيدة فيرونيكا والسيدة ماجي سافوفا وتتسلم من منعم H.A.Rauf نيابة عن ليلى. Congratulations receiving the award of Mrs. Lady of the Year Middle East 2023. Veronica, شو تحبي تقولي يا شيخ؟ بليز دكتور سعاد الشامسي تتسلم الجائزة وشهادة التقدير. Alright, Katrina Donto. Maggie, congratulations. To turn the women's around, upside down. All right.
It was a fabulous event, really enjoyable. I love supporting other women. I'm all about women empowerment. I truly believe that behind every successful woman is a tribe of other women. So tonight was really special and lots of fun.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आज हम यहाँ मिसेस ईयर ऑफ द लेडी जो है वो अवार्ड में मौजूद है, जहाँ पे हमारे एक पाकिस्तानी जो अवार्ड याफ्ता लेडी हैं आसिया ज़हरा, हम इनसे बात करते हैं और इनसे पूछते हैं क्या फीलिंग। जी वेलकम टू हकाइक न्यूज़, बहुत मुबारक हो आपको।
थैंक यू, बहुत
अवार्ड
शुक्रिया।
कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये अवार्ड हासिल करके?
बहुत शुक्रिया आपको मौका देने का। मुझे यहाँ पे आके बहुत बेहतरीन फीलिंग आ रही है कि बीइंग अ पाकिस्तानी मैं पाकिस्तान को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ इंटरनेशनली। जो ऑर्गेनाइज़ करवाया गया है और इसमें जो है पाकिस्तान की एक तरह की नुमाइंदगी है कि आके हमने पार्टिसिपेट किया है और एक अवार्ड को जीता है। आखिर में जितनी भी बिजनेस लेडीज़ हैं, जो जितनी भी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं जो कि बिजनेसेस को रन करती हैं, उनको अवार्ड की उस पर जो है बेसिस पे अवार्ड दिया गया है। तो मैं हमारा जो है कंपनी है टर्न की ऑफिस के नाम से कनाडा में, उसमें मैं CEO हूँ।
Of course, I'm feeling too elated to be the part of Mrs. Lady of the Year. मेरे लिए, like for me, this has been a very prestigious award, and thanks to Veronica, thanks to Owen to nominate me on this platform and giving the opportunity to showcase myself and getting an award, and of course, it's a great pleasure.